He just bit that thing open. No. Okay, you ready?
Smart bird.
Okay, let's go.
There, now I can't bite it open for me.
Okay.
It's just licking. Oh, you got one on your face.
Yeah, he's licking my finger. He's biting my head.
Like, go behind you like, he's back. Oh, you have 3.
Hey, Blake, look at me.
I'm the bird whisperer.
They're fighting over you.
They are?
Yeah. There's the 2 of them on your head. Oh, wash your jacket.
What?
I'd wash your jacket.
What do you mean?
You know what I mean.
Oh, crap.
You know exactly what I mean.
Daddy, help.
No, you're good.
Daddy's biting my head.
Yeah, you'll be all right.
Yeah, Blake, I'd wash your jacket.
Why?
Maybe.
Okay, that's fine. That's why I have this hat on.
Look at me, dude.
It's all over me. How many birds are on me?
3.
Okay.
Look at Kristen. She's got one.
Oh my gosh, she's trying to get my ear.
You turn your camera that way to get off screen.
Whoa. Oh.
What? Oh, ow.